Over the last few years, the world has started feeling different. From Russia-Ukraine conflict to tension in West Asia, US-China friction, countries today focusing more on strengthening their defense capabilities. This isn't just a short-term reaction, rather a long-term structural shift. As we see, global military spending has crossed USD 2.7 trillion from roughly 1.5 trillion 10 years back. In 2024, it increased by 12%, more than twice the historical average. What is driving this is a mix of rising geopolitical tensions, military modernization, and particularly for India, a strong push towards self-reliance. At the same time, world is moving away from being unipolar to a multipolar structure, where we will see more number of dominant players on global landscape. And in multipolar world, defense spending expected is to rise as new powered centers need to strengthen their defense capabilities. In India too, this shift is clearly visible. The defense budget has grown from around 2.5 lakh crore back in 2014 to 6.8 lakh crore in 2026. There is a strong government push towards domestic manufacturing by encouraging participation from private players and FDIs. Further, government is actively pushing defense export, with India now supplying defense equipment into multiple countries. When you look at all of this together, it starts to form long-term structural story for the sector. The Axis Nifty India Defence Index Fund aims to replicate performance of Nifty India Defence TRI, which is designed to measure the performance of companies that are part of defense ecosystem through a low-cost, rule-based stock selection approach. So, if this is a space you're looking to explore for your long-term wealth creation, the Axis Nifty India Defence Index Fund NFO is open from 10th April to 24th April 2026.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.